Brianna here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, I'm so happy you decided to tune in with us today. Now, I am in Canva and I have switched it to their glow up mode. So if it looks a little different from some of my previous videos, then that is the reason why. I'm not sure if everybody's looks like this at the moment of me actually putting this video up, but this is what it looks like right now. So super excited for the glow up. But let's go ahead and jump right on into this tutorial. Today we are making a honey bun wrapper design. Now the honey bun template is in my ultimate bundle. So I'm just going to go ahead and click and open that right now. If you do not have the ultimate bundle, the link is down below. So you can go ahead and get designing with us. And this design will be in that bundle. So if you click on it, get that, it's there. All right, so let's go ahead. Without further ado, let's get it popping. All right, so as you can see, we have our template here. It already has a bun on here for you guys, and our backs or our sides and our front. So I want to first, we're going to do a princess theme. So first I would like to go ahead and just change the color of our background. I want that to be pink. And we're going to make it a light pink. And this may change. I may do something different, but as of right now, it is pink. Then what I really want to go with is pink, gold, and white. So I'm going to go ahead and go into elements and find me a crown. So we have our crown on here. I now want to go back and get a frame. So I'm going to go back, click on frames, and I'm going to get a circle. Now this is where our little cutie is going to go. Okay, so I'm going to go into positions. I do want to bring the crown forward, but let me go ahead and get a picture of a little girl. So. All right, so now that we have that, now I'm going to go to positions and move this forward. And then I'm going to give it an outer glow of white. And we're just going to look at all things princess. This is cute. I like that castle better. Yes. Okay, so I'm at this point now. I feel like I like this background, and I'm gonna look for a few others, but I want to do frames instead of our shapes. So first I'm gonna pull our background one, and I know for a fact that I want this to be a glitter. And so since we have gold, we're going to do gold glitter. All right, so this is what it looks like. Mila's 6th birthday. We can add a label, a nutrition label facts that has some cute sayings, as well as a barcode to make it a little more authentic. And we will also go back to princess things. All right, now we are done with this. I'm just going to make some adjustments because we do not want this to go over our design, and I don't want any of this on the back half of our design. So I'm just going to check, make sure everything is doing what it's supposed to do. All right, and now we can go ahead and print. All right, this is what it looks like hot off the printer. This is the koala paper. I have that link down in the description below. And this is the honey bun that I am using. Now that is the pack of honey buns. I believe it comes 6 in a pack. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. Now I'm going to quickly show you how I assemble this. If you would like this slowed down, I will repost just the assembly portion in my videos. So you can look for that. But it is super easy to assemble, and like I said, if you don't want to make this yourself, I do have this in my ultimate bundle for you just to go ahead and edit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy crafting!